My name is Harisata and the topic of today's video is how to get reference letter for scholarship. So before going to answer the question like how to get the reference letter, I will explain what is reference letter actually. A reference letter is a letter written by someone who knows you personally, maybe professionally, or maybe your teacher in your university, or someone who is near to you and who is like who knows you personally, like how do you work, how do you study and everything about it. So this is reference letter. So when you are going to apply for the scholarship, the reference letter is must. So you have to provide the reference letter if you intend to apply to a certain scholarship in any foreign university or any maybe in your local university as well. So there are two kind of submission of the reference letter. Number one is submission in the form of a document, hard form, maybe your university or the institute which is going to provide you scholarship, maybe they will ask you the reference letter in hard form. So how to get this letter? Number one, you need to approach your professor or someone or your teacher at your university and then ask them to write the reference letter. How would you write it? How would he write it? Maybe he could ask them to write on the letterhead of the university and they will write letter on your behalf that okay, this is my student and his grade, he will talk about your grades, about your overall academic and extracurricular performance in your letter, and in the end he will sign it and stamp it and then he will provide it to you. Maybe sometimes the university will ask your professor to send it directly and keep it confidential and send it directly to the university. It depends upon the scenario. Okay, so the number one is you have to ask your teacher, he will write it or he will write it and then he will provide it to you and then you can send that document to the university. Here is the problem, sometimes your teacher or professor doesn't have enough time or maybe they don't want to give enough time. So how would you do that? So you would write your letter on your behalf, like on the behalf of your teacher. Okay, you will write it by yourself, all your academic details and everything, and then you will sign it, you will get it signed by your teacher or professor. This is the easiest way, more easier way, more convenient way you can say that, to get a reference letter. And the second one is maybe your university wants the details of your referee. Referee is someone who is going to refer you, who will write your reference letter. So maybe in the application, online application, you will have a reference tab and there you will have to provide the details of the referee, name, designation and email address. In this kind of format, you need to contact your referee in advance, maybe your teacher, professor or someone who knows you. You need to contact him in advance, okay, that I'm going to apply to this kind of scholarship, and you will receive an email. So once you will contact him, then you will write the name, designation, phone number and email address of that particular person who knows you, who is going to be your referee, and then you will put and you will submit that details to the online portal. Once you submit the details to your online portal, an email will be generated and it will be sent to your referee official email address. Then ask them to submit the reference letter on your behalf, request them. Even if they don't have any time to fill your letter for you, then ask them to provide him a draft. You can write him a draft by yourself and send him to you, and once he gets his email, he will submit that draft for you on his email and send it to the concerned department. So this is two kind of submission of the reference letter. If you have any confusion, any problem you are facing in your online application system or getting reference letter, please comment down below. And if this video helped you, and if you want to know more about scholarship and some particular points of the scholarship application, then please subscribe to the channel, hit thumbs button and stay tuned. Take care. Bye bye.